Hi friends, happy Wednesday. Welcome to your second math lesson for summer school. Today's lesson will be just like the one we did on Monday. We're still doing 3-digit addition with regrouping, except this time you'll have to regroup twice. That means you'll have to carry over a 10 2 times instead of just once. And we'll do a couple examples on here so then you can do some problems on your own as well. So just like on Monday, we talked about the steps you need to do to solve the problem. So the place that you start in, always the ones place. So if you need to label each column hundreds, tens, and ones, you can do that. It just takes a minute, or a second actually. Step 2, 9 or less, let it rest so you don't have to carry. And then 10 or more, you regroup next door. So if it's over 9, you need to regroup it, and you'll carry over that 1. Okay, then step 3, we add the tens place, and the last step, we add the hundreds place. So let's do a couple together so you can see what I'm talking about, and then you can do a couple of your own. If you didn't get a chance to do the problems from Monday on your portfolio, make sure you go back and try to do some of those as well. So the first one is 258 plus 353. So remember, since this is a video, you can pause it or you can go forward or back if you need to see something again. Or if you want to try to do it before and see if you get the right answer, then you can pause the video now and try to solve it. So before I start, I'm going to label mine hundreds, tens, and ones. I know I always start in the ones place. So 8 plus 3. So think 8 plus 3 more, 11. So do I put my 11 here? No, it says if it's 10 or more, regroup next door. So I take this 10 here and I move it over. So now I can add the tens place. I have 5 plus 5 equals 10, but I have to remember I regrouped, so now I have one more, 11. So I can't put 11 here. I have to regroup next door again. So I have to regroup twice. So now I can add up my hundreds and then I'm done. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 equals 6. So my answer is 611. So if you need to go back and see what we did, you can go back or you can wait till the next problem. So I'm going to erase this one. We'll try another one together. 476 plus 246. Again, I'm going to label hundreds, tens, and ones. I start in my ones column. Ooh, a doubles fact. 6 plus 6, 12. So I keep my 2 and my 10, because remember 12, it has a 10 in it. So I move over my 1. Now I need to know what 7 plus 4 plus 1 is. So 7 plus 4 equals 11. 11 plus 1 equals 12 again, just like this column was 12. So I can leave my 2, and I need to go next door and put my 10 there. Now my last hundreds column, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Don't forget, this is 7. 722. If you did it before me and you got 722, nice job. If you did it on your own and you got something different, you might have accidentally added a number wrong, or maybe you forgot to carry. So go back then and see if you made a mistake. All right, we'll try one more. 743 plus 259. Then I'm going to label hundreds, tens, ones. Just takes me a second. Now my ones place, 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, another 12. Wow, lots of 12s. So this is my 12. These are my ones, these are my tens. I leave my ones, but I need to carry over my 10 and regroup it next door. Now I have 4 plus 5 plus 1. Here I could see that 4 and 1 make a 5, and I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So I leave my 0, and I have to go next door and regroup. So I bring over my 1 again. So I have to regroup twice sometimes. So I have 7 plus 2 equals 9. And then plus 1, ooh, look what happened there. 10. But I don't have anyone next door, so look at, I can leave my 10 here. Look at that. We just added in the thousands. 1,002. So I don't have any place to regroup, so I can leave it. 1,002. Wow, that's a great number. We added all the way up to over 1,000. So today, when you have time, go into your portfolio. I'm going to put some problems in there where you're going to have to regroup. And maybe I'll put some where you only have to regroup once, and most of them will have regrouping twice since that's what we're practicing. But make sure if it's 9 or less, you can let it rest. You can leave it there. If it's 10 or more, you need to regroup your 10 to your neighbor. If you have any questions, make sure you message me on Dojo, or just try your best and I will give you feedback. And you can go in and I'll type a comment on your work and you can see how you did. So make sure you're going back into your portfolio after you turn it in, because I'll try to check it as fast as I can see it. And I love all of your videos that you're sending so far about your weekend, some of you about your zoo, or your book. Somebody read me a book. That was so awesome. So keep up the great work. You're doing so awesome. And I'll see you on Monday.